So this is what we heard today in Bangalore around 1:20. And many more have been reported. This massive explosion sound. Some explosion. So we are waiting for the reports which are coming from. So here's the sound.